Digital landscapes are constantly evolving. One platform stands out as a beacon of opportunity, and that's YouTube. What if I told you it could be your most valuable piece of digital real estate, or a platform that consumes your life and livelihood? YouTube is not just a platform for sharing content, but a thriving business ecosystem. Here, creativity meets opportunity, passion meets profession, and you, the creator, hold the keys to unlocking immense potential. But what makes YouTube more than just a video sharing platform? It's an important question, because according to a recent headlines, teenager makes millions on YouTube, how this YouTuber bought their dream home. The secret business of YouTube success. Studies indicate that more people want to be YouTubers than traditional careers. These stories share a common thread, a deep understanding of YouTube as digital real estate. But amidst these success tales, there's a cloud of misconceptions and untold challenges. Just like in traditional real estate, it's the location, or in our case, the niche. This plays a pivotal role in your success. Not every video hits the jackpot, and not every channel becomes a gold mine overnight. So what separates the fleeting from the flourishing? The overlooked videos from the viral sensations? In this video, we're unraveling the blueprint of using YouTube as your digital real estate, from understanding the intricacies of ad revenue, to diversifying your income streams, to treating your channel like a real business, and some strategies that you will want to use yourself. For one example, I'll be explaining how this video makes $1 per 1,000 views, to this video that makes up to $40 per 1,000 views. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale, you're in the right place. So let's embark on this journey together. Transform your passion into profit, your channel into an empire, and your dreams into reality. Let's get into how you can turn YouTube into your digital empire. At the heart of YouTube's vast digital estate lies its ad revenue system, a system that has turned ordinary creators into digital money magnets. But how does it work? And more importantly, why do some channels earn more than others, even with similar view counts? Enter the world of CPM, or cost per 1,000 impressions. Think of it as the price tag advertisers are willing to pay for every 1,000 eyes on their ads throughout your videos. But here's where it gets interesting. Not all CPMs are created equal. Depending on your channel's niche, the demographics of your audience, and even the geographical location of your viewers, the CPM can vary dramatically. Back to the previous example, a video about luxury watches might attract a higher CPM than a comedy sketch, not because one is inherently better than the other, but because of the potential return on investment for advertisers. Advertisers are always looking to maximize their ROI. They're more likely to invest in ad spaces where the audience's interest aligns closely with their product or service. This is why channels focusing on finance, technology, or even education often see higher CPMs. And let's not forget about the global aspect of YouTube. An audience in the United States or Canada might yield higher ad revenues compared to viewers from other parts of the world, purely based on the purchasing power parity. As a creator, keeping an eye on your analytics, especially the CPM, can offer invaluable insights into how your content is performing from a monetization standpoint. It's like having a financial pulse on your channel's health. Understanding the mechanics of YouTube ad revenue is just the first step in mastering this digital real estate market. Just like in traditional real estate, investors will pay more for a devastated property in the suburbs than paying for that same house in the hood. Investors, in this case advertisers, don't want to pay to put ads on your video if the perceived market value does not return an investment. They know people that are watching those videos don't relate to the type of products or services that they have to offer. So when it comes to YouTube ad revenue, the location of your niche will make you rich. Each video has its own perceived value to advertisers, and in return, are simply worth more. In your YouTube dashboard, you can see your analytics for how much advertisers are paying for each video. This CPM tells you how much advertisers are paying per 1,000 views. So hypothetically, a video about cats may have a $1 CPM, while a video about finances could have a $40 CPM. When we do the math, that's nearly 40 times more money. After 1 million monetized views, the cat video would have made $1,000, while the finance video would have made $40,000, even though it may seem unfair. It makes perfect sense because a 2,500 square foot home in Laguna Beach, California can cost $6.2 million, while a similar home in Maine can cost 1/46th of that price. However, if you are in a niche with a low CPM, your video would get a lot of views. And that opens the door for other possibilities for you to make up the difference. And that's because there are far more people watching your video about nonsense than there are videos about wealth and finances. And here is the scary truth. YouTube knows more about you than you think. They know your interest, your browser history, your spending habits, almost everything that you do. Google has a record of it, even your location. That's how advertisers can target ads on a huge number of different factors, from your interest to estimated household income. So an advertiser would pay more to be in front of people that they know are more likely to spend, and they would prefer to get in front of those people. Here is the good news. If your content is deemed high value, Then you will make that money from that high CPM niche. But wait a minute, this is only one way that the top YouTubers make money. And if I might add, this is one of the least amount of ways to make money with digital real estate. It's a powerful foundation, but as we'll see, building your empire doesn't stop here.
Most of my money is made through affiliate marketing right now. I'd say about 50 to 55% of the revenue that comes in. We also do brand sponsorships, so that's usually like 20-25%, and then AdSense is also going to be 20-25%.
Think of your YouTube channel as prime real estate in the bustling city of the internet. Now imagine that ad revenue is akin to renting out your space. It's steady, yes, but what if the market shifts? Putting all your eggs in one basket, or in this case, one tenant could spell trouble. This is where the power of diversification comes into play. Just as a savvy real estate investor might have multiple properties or engage in flipping houses for profit, a successful YouTuber looks beyond ad revenue to build their financial portfolio. And frankly, there are better ways to make more money. First up, affiliate marketing. And you can make money with 0 subscribers. It's like recommending a product to a friend, but in this case, you're sharing it with your audience. Each sale made through your unique link not only earns you a commission but strengthens your relationship with brands. Affiliate marketing allowed me to share products I genuinely love while adding a valuable income stream. It's about authenticity and trust, the foundation of a lasting relationship. These are products that you don't have to make, ship, touch, or deal with any customer service. You're the connector that recommends products or services to your audience and make a commission on that product. There are countless products that you probably recently bought that can potentially qualify to make affiliate commissions. You've seen those unboxing videos taking the internet by storm. Yup, that's a perfect example. Just make sure that you genuinely like the product and do an honest review about it. People would appreciate your authenticity and are going to buy regardless of what you say. These are sales that you can make days, months, or even years after posting the video. Adios to that renter that's always short on their rent and want to pay you partial. Almost 82% of major brands have affiliate networks. Just Google Home Depot affiliate network, or go to the bottom of their website and sign up. And as to how much you can make, it can vary tremendously. Amazon, they have the worst affiliate network in the world, but it gets better than that. See, if there's a product that's digital, they will pay you a recurring commission every month as long as the customer continues to use that product. That's because these products don't have to be produced every time someone wants it. This could be an online business course, software that can automate the video creation process, or membership sites. Next, sponsorships. Imagine your channel as a billboard in the most coveted part of town. Brands pay a premium to be featured on this billboard, not for the space itself, but for the eyeballs your content attracts. Instead of getting commission like affiliate marketing, you instead get a fixed amount up front to advertise a product or service within your video. The misconception that people get about sponsorships is that it's not about how big your channel is, but as long as your channel aligns with the sponsor's product, you can reach out to sponsors yourself. But I strongly recommend only to promote products that you actually think are good for your audience. It's good for you, your audience, and you build a better relationship with your sponsor. It's a win-win for both teams. But remember, the key is relevance and alignment with your audience's interests. And just like any business, always negotiate higher so that you don't undervalue yourself. Then there's fan funding. In traditional real estate, this might be like having a group of friends invest in a property you're developing. On YouTube, platforms like Patreon allow your most dedicated viewers to support you directly in exchange for exclusive perks and content. It's community building at its finest. YouTube now has a paid membership program on the platform, a super chat when you do live stream, but most YouTubers use Patreon instead. Let's do a little math here. Let's say that 1,000 of your most loyal fans donated $10 on one of your videos. How much would that be? And now let's get into merchandise. Selling branded goods is like opening a shop on your property. It's a tangible way for fans to show their support and for you to diversify your revenue. This avenue is fantastic for big channels like PewDiePie and even Mr. Beast. But for smaller channels, just throwing your name on a print-on-demand product isn't going to make you a lot of money. What if you sold something that was useful to your audience? Like if you created some form of digital course. This could apply in most niches. For example, if you're sharing knowledge about fitness, dating, or business, and if your audience is consuming your free content on YouTube, it's more than likely that they would buy a full system from you, where you can teach them more in depth. Now you can start to make real money. Now you just graduated from running a YouTube channel to running a YouTube business. Diversifying your income streams on YouTube ensures that you're not just surviving, but thriving. Each stream is a building block in your empire, contributing to a robust foundation that can withstand the test of time and market volatility. But how do you turn these opportunities into reality? How do you ensure that your digital empire stands tall among the rest? In the bustling marketplace of YouTube, Your channel isn't just a piece of land. It's a towering condominium in the most prestigious part of the digital city. YouTube has paid over $10 billion to its creators over time, a testament to the fertile ground it offers for those ready to build their empires. But how does one go from laying the first brick to standing atop a skyscraper of success? The answer lies not just in diversifying your income, but in viewing your channel through the lens of a CEO, overseeing a business with potential for exponential growth. Like a savvy developer who sees beyond the empty plot of land, a YouTube millionaire understands the power of leveraging their video content as a marketing engine to drive sales, whether it's for their products, services, or even promoting others as an affiliate. You're only one milestone away from building your empire. While ad revenue forms the foundation, the real wealth lies in the other upper floors, your personal brand, merchandise, courses, or even an ebook. These are the penthouses of your YouTube skyscraper, offering the highest return on investment. Using my channel as a launchpad, I introduced my line of eco-friendly products. The key was integrating my offerings naturally into my content, transforming viewers into customers, all while staying true to my brand's mission. Imagine each video as an apartment in your building. Some apartments might be leased out to advertisers. Some might be exclusive stays for premium members, and others might be showrooms for your merchandise or services. The journey to becoming a YouTube millionaire is akin to constructing a skyscraper. It requires vision, patience, and the right strategy to turn your digital real estate into a bustling hub of activity and commerce. By treating your channel not just as a collection of videos but as a dynamic business, you're laying the groundwork for lasting success and financial freedom. So, what will your empire look like? Let's start with your vision. Keep in mind that the top YouTubers have a team working with them. They're not putting videos out there all alone. They have a fully functional team behind them. Just like in traditional real estate, there is the realtor or investor, the contractor, the framer, plumber, electrician, and HVAC technician. When it comes to building your digital empire, your team will be your foundation for success. They are going to set the tone for the successor of your business. The most successful channel has a scriptwriter, voice actor, video editor, and thumbnail artist. That's the reason they are able to put out regular high-quality content. But before you get to that point, you have to have the right education. That's what's going to set you apart from the channels that thrive versus the channels that fail. When first getting started, you can start with your idea. Find other channels that have success and that are in the same niche that you want to be in and model their content. Just make it better with your own unique twist. Remember, everyone started where you are. You can watch this video again if you need to. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned a video with less than 1,000 views that made me money before it was monetized. Hopefully you don't need a lot of videos to make a lot of money. You just need the right approach. Let's break it down. First, if you have a video that earns you $20 in affiliate commission for a product that you promote. Second, you offer your course and sold it at $100 from sales that comes from that video. And third, you put out a high CPM video that gets millions of views. If that video got 100,000 in monetized views, it would make this much from ads alone. You could be potentially making life-changing money from one video. Not all views will be monetized, but you can still make this much potentially. You just need the right approach. And there are so many different ways that you can make money with digital real estate. The blueprint to wealth on YouTube starts with seeing the bigger picture and acting on it. If you're interested in building or buying a business, just like we talked about in this video, then feel free to grab the module for free if it's still available by clicking the link below in the description. You can learn about this and more, and check out the next video to learn more. Your unique perspective, your passion, and your creativity are the only credentials you need to start building your empire. Until next time, my friend.